Brianna had such a good time.
Brianna?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'll give her some swing thing.
Well, she's got those water wings.
We won.
Yeah.
Yeah, wish you lucked out in the old desert, both directions.
Cool water.
Cool and it was cloudy and raining. What was the name of that lake we went by and it started raining? London Bridge?
Oh, Lake Havasu?
Lake Havasu.
Oh, we didn't go by the lake itself.
Dylan, Jim's got the camera on you.
Where's Jim? Where's Jim?
Dylan, another
Get
try.
the camera. Camera's
Oh,
on.
go get Jim.
We'll find Jim. He's taking your picture again.
Toss it out there, I'll get it.
Here, go get it. Go get it.
Get it. He's a silly boy. Go get Jim.
There's
You
Jim.
can walk now.
Get the camera.
He's worn out.
Pay that much attention to it anymore, does he?
He used to attack it.
Not as much as he used to.
They ever do with all that lumber out at the antique show?
I don't know.
Well, I was out there Friday, yeah, and they still had it.
Oh.
They hadn't got it sorted yet. They're gonna have somebody come up, whoever's gonna buy it's just gonna come up and then they would have to reload it again.
Oh. Hopefully wrist better. Oh. Wasn't there long enough.
Hi, Dylan.
Go get the camera. Camera. Hi. Hi, you. Go get the camera. Go get Jim. Get Uncle Jim. Go get Uncle Jim. Go get the camera. Hook.
What are you doing to that bear?
I wonder how dry that wood is though. Don't they have to let it dry for a certain time?
Well, they can take it down there and pile it and let it dry.
Yeah. That's it.
That's better, ain't it?
No, it ain't.
I know they might be making a bunch of these Ballard adjustable tables. Maybe that's
Dylan,
fine.
throw it over to me.